What's up, guys? Today on Lisa's Food Addiction, we are going to be making this homemade marinara sauce that's filled with fresh parsley, onions, garlic, and of course lots of spices to give it that flavor that we love. Seriously, y'all, this stuff will make you say goodbye to jar marinara forever, okay? Let's get cooking. To get started, guys, we're going to start off with an onion here. We're going to chop this onion up horizontally, vertically. We're going to chop it all over, and once we are done, we're going to put it into our nice little bowl as I just did, and we're going to do the very same thing to our garlic. Dice it up, put it in a bowl, and we're going to begin cooking our garlic and onions. To start off, I added just a little bit of olive oil into my cast iron skillet, my favorite utensil of all time. We're going to add our onions in, get those babies sweating out a little bit. Once our onions are done sweating out, they have developed a very nice color, we're going to add in our garlic, okay? We're not going to cook our garlic as long as we did our onions. We don't want it to burn, so we're only going to cook this for about 2 to 3, maybe 4 minutes at the most. Don't go over 4, okay? Once this is done cooking, we're going to move on and add in our Hunt's crushed tomatoes, as they have made their cameo in the video. We are going to be using 2 cans of Hunt's crushed tomatoes. Okay, this sauce is homemade, but yet it's still simple, still easy. We're not overdoing it. Now we're going to season this up. Of course, I have some garlic and onion powder. We're also going to add in some Italian seasoning, dried basil, parsley, oregano, lots of flavor. And we're also going to add in a little bit of white sugar to help with the bitterness of these tomatoes, okay? Whenever you are cooking anything tomato based, you definitely don't want to be shy with the salt or the sugar, because it's going to help with that strong, pungent acidity that comes with cooking tomatoes. So there goes in my salt and pepper. I also added in some crushed red pepper flakes because, you know, I'm spicy. I like a little kick in my food, okay? We're going to stir that up, and we're going to add in some freshness. I have some chopped parsley. Guys, I really wanted to use fresh basil, but it happens that my grocery store did not have any, and I wasn't going all over the world, okay? So I just grabbed some fresh parsley. But at this point, any fresh herb that you would like to add in will do. Parsley, basil, whatever it may be. And this is what our sauce looks like. Bam, bam, there you go. As you guys have seen, this homemade marinara sauce is super simple to make. It's a great addition to your weeknight pasta meals. You can eat this with mozzarella sticks, breadsticks, anything that you enjoy marinara sauce with. This will be amazing, okay? This recipe, as all of the others, can be found on my blog, lisasfoodaddiction.com. If you want to cook with us, it's simple. All you have to do is hit subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy cooking!